San Francisco. And we are now approaching Greenback Lane, Elephant Boulevard, and Madison Avenue. We're going to Seafoods, buy some foods, fish, vegetable, at iba pa. And this is the freeway now. Ganda ng panahon, no? Look at that. Going to Greenback Lane. This exit here. That one. It's Greenback Lane. Papuntang bahay.
So, 1:30 lang.
Yeah, 1:30. Dito na po. Now we are approaching Capital City Freeway 80. Going to 99 Highway. This is the way going to Seafood City, Filipino store, and Jollibee. Now we're exiting, and this is on my left going to San Francisco. Alright, so Mahuli Park, Bill City Freeway, Sacramento, Highway 80, Business 80. Ito it's a Business 80. And we are here now. Going to San Francisco, that side here. And this one here, we can get an access going to LA also, 99 South. Going to Bakersfield, Delano. Yeah, we can get an access here. Madrid. Speed limit here is 65. It's about 120 kilometers per hour. We are now approaching Highway 99 South. First going to Fresno, that one. Pero pwede din tayo dito dadaan papunta Delano, Bakersfield, and Los Angeles, California. Now we are merging. Dito tayo sa carpool. At least 2 passenger, pwede ka na dito. Pero kung nag-iisa ka dito, makita ka ng police, huli. Ito nakalagay yung carpool is 2 or more person per vehicle. Pero pag motor, okay. Ganda ang panahon. Papunta na tayo ng Seafood City. As I said, bili tayo ng mga gulay, prutas, at iba pa. Ito yung pass lane dito sa carpool, tinatawag nila.
1:33 na.
That's it. Okay, now we are going to exit Mac Road West, exit 291P, going to the Seafoods. Ito tuloy-tuloy ito hanggang LA na ito, Delano and Bakersfield. Pero dito lang tayo sa Seafoods. We're going to buy some stuff. Pang-ulam para sa okay, we are now exiting Mac Road. Here we go, that's Mac Road. Gasoline station here. Magkano ang per gallon? 5.24. Mas mura-mura dito kaysa iba. And we have Shell over there and McDonald's. sa inyo, Riley. Ayan na siya pa dyan. Continue sa susunod.
Mabog.
I-edit na lang. Okay, now we're here in the Seafood City. Nasa mga kapahingan doon. Kaya magawa saan eh. Jogging. Sarap na. Siya, patayin natin. Patayin na siya. Seafood.
May expiration yun, ma'am. Dapat tinataya mo na ako.
Okay. Kasama ko dito.
Yan ito.
I-apply pa bangkoan? Account number? Bangko man na siya.
Ay, wala na sila lang park yan.
Ako sa lang ba?
Wala sila.
Pick up na lang.
Hindi. Pangalan niya yan.
Taas may pangalan. Inigat sa eskwelahan, magka-problema. Bilong is one fish. One fish ang bilong-bilong. Siya may tawagan niya ate.
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Oh, mackerel. Norwegian mackerel. Congratulations. Oh. Venus clam, $3.99. Wait pa na. This is alive.
You're still alive. Take go back there.
Oh, oyster $15.99 each. Isang balot. Yan, naka-net is $15.99. Oyster, shit. May mga describe sila dito na nakapilip. Ito yung, this is the Atlantic Salmon Belly. Isang pack, one pack is $8. Expensive. Mga salmon. Ito tayo sa seafood. Ito yung Seafood City. On that, itong tuna nila, frozen lang ganito mga tuna nila. Dalawang piraso, 2 piece, 2 cats, 11.17. May pangalit pa na ito, $10. Okay, what we got here?
Can I have it? Yes. You always... Okay, but you know what?
Bili-bili ako. siya, pati ulod. Go down, sa ina.